So you want to be able to divide by a decimal number. Our first step is to change the number we're dividing by into a whole number. So if I'm dividing by 0.2, I need to times by 10 so that it is only going to be a whole number. So I need to times that by 10. If I times what I'm dividing by 10, I need to times the other value by 10 as well. And I get to 5,732.6. It doesn't matter if I have a decimal in my little divide sign. I just want that number to be whole. Now I can divide. 5 divided by 2 goes twice. 2 times 2 is 4, and then I subtract to find that I have a remainder of 1. Bring down my 7. 17 divided by 2 goes 8 times 8 times 2 is 16. I'm going to minus that and I get a remainder of 1 again. I'm going to bring down my 3. 13 divided by 2 goes 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. I have another 1 remainder. Bring down my 2. 12 divided by 2 goes 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. So when I subtract that, I get nothing. I've still got a 6 to bring down. 6 divided by 2 goes 3 times, and my decimal point goes directly above the decimal point there. So it's really important to have each of these numbers in the correct place. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, and there's no more to bring down. So that is an easier one than the ones we did in class today. Let's look at another sum from, I'm going to insert another page. Okay. So, let us do one of the ones from our work today. So I've got 4.2 and I'm going to divide 171.36. Now, my first step that I need to do is think, what number do I need to times 4.2 by to make it a whole number? I need to times it by 10. If I times that by 10, I need to times the number that I'm dividing by 10 as well. So I'm going to get 1,713.6, and I'm dividing that by 42. No decimal, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to have to do some multiplication, some little thinkings on the side because I don't know my 42 times table. But 1 divided by 42, I can't do that. 0 times 42 is 0, and I'm going to subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1, and I'm going to bring my 7 down. 17 divided by 42, I can't do. 0 times 42 is 0, and so when I minus that, it's going to be nothing again. 17, and I'm going to have a 1 brought down. 7 take away 0 is 7. 1 take away 0 is 1. Bring down my 1. 171. Well, 42 and 42 is going to give me 84. So I just want to see what 42 times 3 gives me. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, 126. Let's see what 42 times 4 gives me. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. I can't add another 42 onto that, so I'm going to say 4 times 42 is 168. And now I'm going to subtract. I need to borrow 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 3. This is now 6. And I'm going to bring down my 3. 33 divided by 42, I can't do. And 0 times 42 is 0. And when I minus that, I'm still having my 33. And I'm going to take down a 6 over there. Okay. I am going to try 42 times 6 and see. Actually, maybe I'm going to try times 8 because 2 times 8 gives me 16 and I'm going to have a 6 on the end. 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32 plus the one that I carried is 33. So 42 times 8 gives me 336. And when I minus that, I get nothing. Decimal point goes exactly above there. So my final answer is 40.8. Okay. So step 1, change your divisor into a whole number by timesing by a power of 10. So you might have to times by 100, you might have to times by 10. If whatever you times your divisor by, you need to times the other number by the same. And then just divide as normal. And the answer you get for your new worked sum is the actual answer. Good luck for your exams.